Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down and find Accounts and Backup and then tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, so you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. Alright, we've got it. So here we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course we can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove, confirm it with OK and with your screen lock if you've got one, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.